Hi, I'm Rafting Tigger, and this is part 2 of how to assemble and disassemble the NoGround poles into hammock stands. First part, we assembled the pole. It's right here assembled, and everything you've got is right there, and the top knob is spare. I've put it in my pocket for safekeeping. To take the pole apart is very simple. Simply pull off the foot, unscrew the connector, remove the truss hub, using your thumbs, push the circle lines off, and now, like a bow, pull the truss lines off and remove the truss holes. You can store them in the truss hub. Do that for all three. We're going to take the pole off here, and remove the strings. We're going to set these parts aside. We'll take the truss hub and the poles, slide it back onto the bottom portion, and take each line and wind it along here. This isn't the only way to store the truss lines, but it's a really convenient way. And it has the advantage of when it's time to take one out, you pull it and it releases it with no tangling. Okay, I've wound all three truss lines up so it's nice and neat. I have the second part of the hammock extension. I have the tarp extension connector, the guy line hub, and the guy lines. All of this goes. Okay, all the parts are back in the bag, and I'm left with 2 more parts. I'm sorry, 3 parts. One's in my pocket, I forgot about it. You've got the foot and the trekking pole. Slide it together, screw it on. Takes several turns, but it's not that hard. You'll see it getting closer and closer, the gold going away. When the gold's gone, you're done. Don't keep turning. Out of the pocket comes the top knob, and you now have a NoGround trekking pole and the kit all ready to go.